In this video, I'll show you the most common errors in a channel publishing process. When a TV network gives you an error on publishing, they'll also indicate what the error is, so it should be quite easy to fix the error or the errors, then resubmit the channel for approval. To make sure that you don't get any errors in your publishing process, before submitting your channel for approval, make sure that your settings are correct. Make sure that you don't use any special characters in the channel name and description, nor in the video title or description. Amazon will reject a channel if they find any special characters used. You should also make sure that your channel icon has the proper size, which should be 114 by 114 pixels in JPEG or PNG format. Also, make sure that the copyrighted fields is filled in if you use any type of copyrighted content in your videos. Even if you use a copyrighted image for 1 second or copyrighted music, both Roku's and Amazon's AI will find it and they may block your channel publishing. Also, make sure that your thumbnail image is the right size. The size must be 800 by 450 pixels, JPEG or again PNG format. Make sure that you use the proper video quality for your videos and the proper video format too. If your content needs a parental rating, make sure that you mark your contents accordingly, because again, both networks use very powerful AIs to scan their channels continuously, and if they find something that shouldn't be there or something that's not correct, they may block the channel. Sometimes they send out notifications and give you the time to repair your errors, but sometimes they don't and just take the video down, or in some cases, if you have multiple errors, they can take the whole channel down. If you checked and all the information is correct and properly set up, before submitting the channel, you should go to the Watch Channel page where you could see a number of videos and basically where you have the thumbnails and so on. It's a fast and short review of your channel. If everything looks okay, you can do another fast check. You can go to your Roku feed to see if it's live and it doesn't throw any errors. You can do the same for Amazon Fire. It should look something like this without any red error marks in it. These are just the basic errors. This is all for this video. See you in the next one.